In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add to cart button in Shopify Dawn Theme. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then choose Themes. This is where you manage the theme that controls how your storefront looks and behaves. Find your current theme and click Customize. This opens the theme editor, where you can change your product page layout without touching code. Once you are inside the theme editor, look near the top for the Page Selector dropdown. It usually shows the template you are currently editing. Open that dropdown, switch to Products, and then select Default Product. This is important because the Add to Cart button is part of your product page content, and you want to make sure you are editing the correct template that most products use. Now focus on the left sidebar. This panel shows the sections and blocks that make up your product page. Find the section called Product Information. This section typically contains the title, price, variant selectors, quantity, and the purchase buttons. Under Product Information, click Add Block. A list of available blocks will appear. From that list, select Buy buttons. As soon as you add it, Shopify will insert the block into the Product Information section. If the button does not appear in the ideal spot, you can easily reposition it. Next to the Buy buttons block, you will see a small drag handle, usually shown as dots. Click and drag that handle to move the block to the location you want. In most stores, it is placed below the quantity selector, so customers choose a quantity first, then add the item to the cart. After it is positioned correctly, click directly on the Buy buttons block to open its settings. Here you can control what shoppers see. Make sure the option called Show Dynamic Checkout Buttons is checked if you want a Buy It Now button to appear alongside the regular Add to Cart button. If you prefer a simpler layout, you can leave that option unchecked so only Add to Cart displays. Finally, click Save in the theme editor. Give it a moment to apply, and your Add to Cart button setup will be in place on the default product template. That covers everything you need to know.